Oh, I think we're live right now. Hold on, I need air. So freaking hot. Whoa. Okay, we're live. Let me just wait a second. Can you get your phone and put it on the live so I can see comments? My phone's not letting me see anything. Sometimes I can see and sometimes I can't. Hold on, I'm just getting another phone set up so I can see comments. And just turn your volume all the way down. Yeah. Or you can maybe watch if there's any comments.
Okay. Shelly says hi.
Hi.
Johnson says hi. Hello.
Hi, everybody.
Chanel says hi.
Hi, love. Chanel's my daughter, so I can call her love.
Maria says hello. Can we say last name when we say
No, that's okay. I'm just waiting for a few more to pop in because I wanted to do this little sneak peek.
You have 29 on.
33 now, it says. I'm not done yet. I do have a couple of heads I have to finish, but I thought it would be fun to give a sneak peek because we are only 3 days away from the auction. Super looking forward to it. I hope you guys are too. If you haven't, or if you're not aware, I'm going to be having an auction on Saturday. Oh shoot, my light went off.
I think you unplugged it.
Hold on, we're going to get the light back on. Saturday, and it's going to be live. It's going to be start at 1, and I'm going to have, I don't know, maybe 35 pieces to auction. So if you go to events on my page, you will see the auction, and if you haven't, click interested or going so that you will be reminded as we get closer. So it will be this Saturday at 1 o'clock, and that's California time, West Coast. And my daughter-in-law, Janelle, she's going to be helping me kind of show, because I look super gross because I've been doing nothing but working on heads. And so let's get started. Oh yeah, she's going to read comments. I can't see them on my phone.
So Sue says great job. Denise says hello. Tracy hello. Norma says hi love.
Hi
Nina
everybody.
Says, wow, look at all those heads. Denise says wow, look at all those heads. Says hi.
Okay.
Tammy says hello. The horror heads are her favorite.
Yay. Well, hi to everybody.
And CD is asking, is that the Queen of Hearts? Yes.
It is. It is. I'll have I guess I'll have Janelle show you that one too.
So do you want to just so you can see
Yeah.
the
Okay, I'm gonna
comments
dual
as
it.
well?
I'm gonna have
Okay.
one phone on this side. Okay, so let's just kind of take a quick look. First of all, we're gonna have 4 giveaways. And possibly 5. I'll explain the 5th one, but there is 4 giveaways for sure. And Janelle's going to show you the heads that we are going to be giving away Saturday. La la. This is the little Halloween cat. She's super cute. And I actually haven't put my finish on her yet. I do have to put a finish so she'll be nice and shiny for you. That's giveaway number 1. Giveaway number 2 is Lizard Lady. Look at that lip. Oh, I can't see combo. Okay. I'm so disappointed that I cannot be there. I know, Candy. I'm gonna miss you. Oh no, Shelly works till 6. So Lizard Lady is giveaway number 2. I'm already scheduled for Saturday. Skull, American flag. That is giveaway number 3. Hey Terry. Hey Carol. And giveaway number 4. Oh, it's going to be this cutie little candy corn. Isn't he adorable? That guy would look so awesome if you put him in a wreath or decorate his head with flowers and Halloween picks. But you know what? Also, you don't even have to do that. You could just display him as he is or put him on a stand. Super cute. So, those are the 4 giveaways. Now, for some reason, if it is a really good auction, and I can reach 100 shares, then I'm going to be giving away a Pennywise. And I have 3 not done over there. And I have 1 over there. He's a little too shaded, but he's there. He's done. But one of these guys will be given away if I reach 100 shares. I don't know if it'll happen, but we'll see. Anyway, so if Janelle, you want to just kind of pick them up and show. Some of these, I don't even remember what I named them. But she's pretty groovy. I'm just going to let Janelle kind of pick through them and show you. Oh, Vampira. She's pretty. She was made quite a while ago, and she has that really awesome spider brooch there. Oh, I love this. This is Creepy Snow White. And let me get a close-up of her. Creepy Snow White. I really like that one. And we do have, after she's done showing you, we do have 3 florals. Oh, and this is the scary nurse, not doctor. She's kind of creepy. Can you get the other crackled one that has spiders on her? Yeah. I don't think I posted the other crackled head on my group page. I mean, on public page. I think I did it in the event. She's kind of creepy. So I think there's a little bit of everything for everybody. You know, we have some cute things and we have some scary things. Maybe you want to show an arrangement, or the Jack and Sally. Can you reach that one? Oh, the nun. The nun is super awesome. I'll have Janelle bring out the nun. This is a really pretty arrangement. This is a Jack and Sally arrangement. We have 1 of those. And there's also another arrangement called the Widow.
I like this.
And that one is really pretty. She has pink and black. She's got beautiful blue eyes. And look at those lips. And the decor. She's really pretty.
Did you want me to bring the nun out?
Oh, the nun, yeah. I know, Denise. Jack and Sally's pretty popular. And here's the nun. Ooh. It's a, I say he, but it's a she, I guess,
Yeah.
but scary. There's a nun. And I love this one. Isn't she gorgeous? She's a melting snow lady. Oh, we got Frankenstein. Oh, and that one is one of my favorites too. The zippered lady. She's like has a hidden garden in her face. She actually needs a finish on her. I haven't put a finish. I just did the flowers on her lips and the zipper in her eyes, but I do need to do a finish on her face. Oh yes, another one. Pink flowers. Thank you. So, I don't know. I think, and then that's it. That's everything. I think Jill just kind of pan through everything because she didn't show you everything.
I didn't show the mum. Okay.
Oh, and the mummies. Yeah, we have a husband and wife mummies. Oh, my thumb is really hurting from holding the, oh, you want to bring out the lady with the eye with a hand? The one right there.
Oh, this one.
This one is pretty cool. That's creepy. Don't forget, this is a Halloween auction, so there's some really creepy ones here. She has to have a finish on her face too. But she's super pretty. And then the scarecrow lady with the red cheeks. Right in front, straight ahead. No, yeah,
Oh.
that one.
Did you have so many scarecrows?
Isn't she cute? This one is really pretty. So, I think that's it. Is there any... Oh, the Queen of Hearts. The one... somebody asked to see the Queen of Hearts, or was interested. I'm not happy with the boa on the bottom. It should have been full red, but I didn't have one. But she was she's been around for a little bit, and I thought, I'll just put her in the auction. So, all right. Thank you, Candy. Tammy, none looks like my ex-wife. Yeah, you're so sweet. Thank you, Janelle, for showing all those.
You're welcome.
So again, you saw the 4 giveaways, and then if I so happen to reach 100 shares, one of the Pennywises will be given away. If not, then I'll just auction them. And we're gonna have fun for the giveaways. I know last time I just did where I did a random check for the comments and stuff after the live. So I thought, you know what, it'll be a lot funner if we announce the winners during the live. So we're gonna do a little bit of maybe Halloween movie trivia, stuff that where you can answer the question and the first person to answer it correctly will win. So then you'll know right then and there, you know, if you're a winner. So anyway, there you have it. Also, if you do go to the event, you will see all of the information on requirements, how the bid's gonna work, about my shipping, the way I ship and all that jazz. So if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to message me or leave a comment and I'll get back to you.
Lots of they're awesome, so much talent, I'm ready.
Yay.
Love her. And then Chanel says, and my head will be ready for sure.
Oh yes.
So
oh my God.
She'll send you a pic to post
Yes.
this evening.
I'm sorry. That's like a big deal. We are also going to have, oh my God, my brain. What is the name of the Silent Hill?
Yeah.
My daughter with Chanel's Creepy Creations. If you haven't heard of her, you can check out her page. I do say that if you're not into creepy stuff, then you may not want to check out her page. But she makes some cool stuff. She's into the Gothic Reborns and other stuff. But she has been sculpting a head, and it is the really scary nurse from Silent Hill. That's definitely a perfect item for somebody that's like a fan of Silent Hill, because it's really a creepy looking thing. You'll see when she gets ready, we could post it, but that will be auctioned also. Okay, and then I'm also going to do a list of all the heads in the order that they're going to be auctioned, and I'm going to post that in the event, just so that you can see if there's a particular head that you'll kind of have an idea, you know, whether, oh, I need to get there and start watching right away or not. Okay. All right. Thank you guys for joining. I will see you all Saturday.